Hello, I would like to show you my iMac G4, which I am preparing for transport, and I will show you the original box which came with the iMac. So you can see it's the 15-inch model, and obviously it has the rotating screen. There is very interesting fact that if you put the screen in some angle and then just move the I don't know, the neck, the screen keeps its level or keeps its angle with the uh, with the water level the same, so it stays kind of always parallel, and it rotates. Obviously, I guess you know what the machine can do, and you can also kind of rotate it this way. So let's start it, and don't be scared. It makes a terrible sound. Where's the button? Here. Oh, it wasn't that bad. So it's the dead DVD drive, and I tried to replace it, but it has the screw that is broken. So I couldn't remove the DVD drive. So I will have to use a Dremel, I guess. But I don't have a Dremel here. Yes, this is fine. Maybe I can turn off the light. I don't know if you can see the screen. Ooh. Sure. So firstly, I will change the brightness. Where is it? Okay, so first I will change the sound, and now the brightness, display, monitor. Check if it's better in the camera. Yeah, it's fine. So there is a clean install of the OS 9, and before there was the Tiger operating system, but I like all the Macs with the classic system, because then if I do the developing I can test the software on them. And sure, I have Unreal Tournament. That's the first thing I install, and then I don't see the MATLAB here, but maybe, yeah, I didn't put it there, but I will definitely put it there sometime in the future. I'll speed up this part, I guess.
In 2291, in an attempt to control violence among deep space miners, the new Earth government legalized no coal-fired fighting. The Anti-Mining Corporation, working with the NEG, established a series of leagues and bloody public exhibitions. The fight discovered that the public matches were their most profitable enterprise. The professional league was formed. A cabal of the most violent and skilled warriors in known space, selected to fight in a grand tournament. Now it is 2341. 50 years have passed.
So obviously, because you know Unreal Tournament,
Numbered in the hundreds of millions. You have been selected to fight in a professional.
but if you don't know the game, this is the best game ever made. So I don't know why there are still game companies which make newer games. This one is fine. So I guess I'll go for these words. Option start. So we have 45 frames per second, so I guess that's fine.
I need some backup.
Yeah, I think the problem is with the Mac I have this stupid mouse which doesn't have the second button, so I can't do the secondary attack. So that's annoying, especially with the atomic bomb. But it works fine. Maybe I can increase the graphics there. Yeah. Move. Come on. So I'm not looking on the looking kind of everywhere, and I don't focus on the play, and I have twisted hand, so I miss all the character.
I need some backup.
So now you could see that it wasn't loading or imaging the screen properly. Come on, go. Okay, so I think this is enough for just showing off the game. Oh, so you can shut it down. No. And so I got this pair of very good speakers, and I like them. But I got this terrible keyboard. It's not really that bad, but it's very yellow, and it's used a lot, so you can kind of feel that there is no resistance in the key. So it's like, so it's bad, this one, because it's so used, but it's not, the design of the keyboard is really that bad. Well, actually, do I have it somewhere? I think it's here. I use the same keyboard as my main keyboard. So it's not that yellow, and the resistance of the keys is better, and the keys are in Czech, not in German, so I can use it much better. So, and the mouse, that one is horrible. It's almost unusable. Although it's the Pro mouse, so they say it's the better mouse. But with the one key, yeah, it's stupid. But one nice thing about the key on the design is here you can see in this part that you don't see the wire, and it's an optical illusion. If I rotate it somewhere, now you can see kind of the wire where it goes this way. So you can see that the wire kind of goes this direction. There is an optical illusion, so you don't see the wire at all. You just and this is just a reflection of this cable outside. So I think this is a cool thing about the mouse, but yeah, it's totally unusable. Let's focus back. Cool. So now I will unplug all the stuff. Move the computer just to the side for a moment. And let's see what's in the box. Well, there's a lot of air in the box now. As you can see, with magician trick, there's nothing inside. There is some old software. I didn't use this thing or this one. And then there was Snow Leopard DVD, for which I have no use because it's on the newer computers. And iLife, I also don't have any use for that. I have a lot of these iLife DVDs everywhere in different places. And that's all. You can see here the computer fits. This is part for the screen. Here it fits here. This is for the screen, and this is for the speakers. But there is one piece missing, so it used to be 3 pieces of the polystyrene, which were kind of holding the computer, and I don't have the other parts. And it's not in good shape, but I like when the computers are in the original boxes. Here goes the computer. Now speakers, I just put them gently there. I think they will be fine because it will be transported in a car. Now the upper part. think you don't see anything. Oh, so I will just move the camera. Some professional setup here. So here goes the keyboard. It's this where the cable belongs. Here goes the other cable. And the mouse goes here on the left. Software. And there is the brochure. We'll go here so you can see it. The new iMac. Ha! This one is not new at all. So here. And it looks much better in the images than in the real life. Because it's much more cleaner. Unix based. Okay, stuff here. Can use the iPod with it. Some facts. There is an ugly CRT with Windows XP. And yeah, some myth and facts. So this is it. The new iMac.